lights. Got the Underglow lights. Got the fuse, so it can fuse protector, so it can pop. If in case it pop, it won't blow a fuse in the car. I'm gonna add to it. Got the button. The hook to that. So when that runs, run into the battery, one part to the battery. One coming through here, straight through there, and I got extra wiring just in case it's too short. I'll be ready tomorrow, boy. What up, YouTube? What up, 300 gang? What up, everybody? This is a nice President's Day. It's nice sunny outside, as you can see. Nice day out. You know, February, normally cold day, so I thought I might as well hit y'all with another mod today. Basically, it's a light show. As you see, I'm doing my Underglow lights today. In the car, back of the seats, under the part under there, you know, under the steering wheel, lights. So everything I'm gonna need, because I'm not going to hook it up to the cigarette lighter. I want to have a fuse to it, and I want to have a button. So everything I got was the fuse connectors. As you can see, you can put a fuse in it, so if it pops, it'll pop this to my fuse in the car. Have a button to turn them off and on when I want. I have the fuse that goes with it, and I have extra wiring just in case it's short. And I have zip ties to zip it so it won't be hanging wires. So we're about to get the install. I'll let y'all see some of the installment or some of the build. I don't have a jack, so I'm gonna have to do it while it's just sitting on the ground. Hopefully we can get up under there and get a good angle. And when I show you how I partly installed it, and then come back on at night or darker when you can see how it finally looks. So stay tuned, we'll be back. So it comes nice and packaged, 3M tape, which I'm definitely not gonna have only on there. Then it has the mounts. So whatever we put it on the 3M tape, which I may or may not use if it's not clean under the bottom, you use these to mount up there. And they got their own zip tie, so I had some, but they had some. So we get this kit out and get this bad boy rolling. So as you see, these are the two front. They go on both sides of the front, so the one big strip. Then these are the long two sides, one on the left, one on the right strip. Then you got the two back strips, or you can vice versa, make them in the front. And here go the box, the Bluetooth box and the control box here, right here. And then this is the extra, in case you wanted to, sorry, I'm trying to get this. In case you wanted to get in your cigarette lighter, you can use this one for your cigarette lighter. And like I said, these are the mounts to go under the car with the little screws, and zip tie for extra fasten so you don't hit no loose wires. So wait until my sidekick gets back with the rest of the stuff we need, and we're gonna use it. If you can see, I have it tucked under there. I gotta get it off that pipe. But it's going on the pipe. It's going up over the wheel well on the back. And sorry for the camera angle, but I have it straight across. I have it screwed in 3M taped all the way over. And it's going down the same way, around the pipe, around the wheel well. And I get on the other side to show you. What up, YouTube world? I'm back. Next day, same video next day. I showed y'all the back, and I had it tucked up under this wheel well, the wires. And then I have the light. Hold on, I gotta get down. I had the light. Sorry for the focus. Is to the carpet. I have it drilled because I can't 3M tape it all the way down the side. And then I have it tucked under. I took these tabs off. And I have it tucked up under here. And then, see with the iron, I have it 3M, and it's under there. And then there's a little hole under there. See the little hole, so I can't focus. It's a little hole there I got to come out. One box there. I have the box coming here. And I have a 25-inch fuse. I have it, I put a fuse on it. And I ran into my ground here, into my positive here. So if it pops, it'll pop here and not pop nothing in my car or melt. And they have a cigarette lighter to go to this, but I didn't want the cigarette lighter, so I ran some more wire to go to the fuse box, to the ground. And both of these are positive for the shut-off switch. I gotta run it through there. Here, car's kind of dirty. I got the wire hidden, and then it runs through here, and it comes up, and this is the button. And I got a button in the fuse, so I click the button, the lights come on, and I click it off, and that is that. That's how I did that. So, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for subscribing. We're at 80, close to 100. Supposed to have a special video if we get to 100. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. Just to show y'all the lights are compatible on how it hooks up. It hooks up to Bluetooth, and you have to. This is what you sync on, but it won't show when you first connect. So you have to pull the screen down, and it refreshes. And you click on that, and then the top changes to, that's what it's called. Mine is called, I don't know what different. And I put 1,000, you hit enter. And I got this saved on 4, which is different lights, but as you press over, see the different lights change. Sorry about the notifications. Different one change, or you can go around. It has multiple colors. Multiple functions. This is how the front looks. Different. Every number has a different setting. Got the red pulse. You know, but my car red, so that's what I did. Like I said, it's just different ones. You can play around with it. You know, brightness. I haven't played around with it much, but yeah. I have my favorite settings. And you keep going around, different ones, so yeah, there you go. Short the video. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and the same go for the underglows. So let me show you. I didn't get to show you in the video like I said. I got it to the back cigarette lighter, but you press it. Oh, the car has to be on. Hold on. I forgot. Turn it onto the run position. So in the run position, you see they automatically come on. This one is hooked to the cigarette lighter. So I can press it off, turn it on, and it automatically comes on. And there's another app. I put them in the same. It's this one right here, the G, and you pop it open, and this is what it is. You click on it, and there you go. You can go by your music. You can change, stop it. I pause it on blue because my dash is blue. You can pick different colors here too. See, the blue bag, aqua blue, and then the music, it bounces to the music. You turn some music on and it bounces to the music. So that's how that goes. You can turn it off, I think, from the Bluetooth too, like this, and it goes off. But I don't trust it, so I just go ahead always and hit the red button just to turn it off for sure. I didn't want too many cigarette lighters plugged up with lights, but that's basically how it goes. And let me put this car one back on my favorite setting, which is 4. Well, for right now, because I don't. The multicolored one.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.
And that's how that goes.
Have no shame.
I wanted to give y'all that update.
Feel the pain, live the grind. I could change in my mind. Pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.